What we're going to do today. This is Sandler's hiring funnel. And I had never been exposed to Sandler before I bought a franchise and decided to become a Sandler trainer. But everything that I've been exposed to in here, when I apply it to my past life, I go, gee whiz, I really wish I had this at the time. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go through each of these pieces, right? Starting with recruiting and thinking very crystal clear about what it is that you want. Do you know exactly, with detailed description, what you're trying to hire? Most of the people I talk to really don't. Right? Then we're going to talk a little bit about the interview process. What is involved and what are you doing in that process to test to make sure the person you've hired or going to hire has it? And then how are you analytically comparing, does this make sense, so you can increase your odds of making a better decision?